I knew it. Kirk has gone batty.
Harsh.
Hey folks, welcome back to the channel.
Hello. And apparently I've gone batty.
That's a bat.
It is.
You're batty.
Okay.
That's what I'm going with.
I still feel it's a bit harsh. Anyway, back to me.
Yes.
I'm going to do a bat. Shocker.
I tell you, I'd never guessed.
The grand reveal. So I thought I'd try something a little bit different this time, and I've got some glow-in-the-dark acrylic paints.
Yes, because we ran out of powder.
Yes, I used them all in the glow-in-the-dark ghosts.
Yes.
So I have done a glow-in-the-dark yellow in the eyes.
And the ears?
No, the ears are a green.
Oh, okay.
So I've just done a bit of green there, and then for the, I don't know what you call them. They
wings?
No, the like fingers of the wings.
Bat wing fingers?
I think they're bat fingers.
Bat fingers.
Yeah, we'll call them bat fingers.
We're gonna call with we'll go with bat fingers.
Bat fingers are going to be a glow in the dark purple.
Purple.
Yes.
Yes, I like that. It's a really nice colour, actually.
What, the purple?
Mm-hmm.
Shocker.
Mm-hmm.
So,
well, if you're going to glow, you want to glow purple, don't you? Because green and yellow, very negative connotations.
Why?
Well, because it usually means that, you know, bad things have happened, whereas purple would be good. In the world, according to Nikki, purple, good. Yellow, green, bad.
I'm going to disagree with you there.
Okay.
Because the glowy yellow greeny stuff made the turtles.
Oh, we're not okay. To those who are not ancient, he's referring to the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles original editions. Of which Kirk was a huge fan.
I like them.
So
yes.
much so, he can name them all, name what colour each of them wears, name what weapons they carry, and other things.
Yeah, it was a misspent childhood.
Definitely a misspent youth. I can't do anything like that.
No, you just can name every single 80s song ever existed, when it was released, who sang it, and the lyrics.
And the album cover.
And the album, yeah.
And the year. If you're going to be picky. Yes, we're very good in pub quizzes.
Yes. Yes, we are.
Anyhow.
So, the purple bat fingers are now complete.
Mm-hmm.
And I am now going to mica the rest. After I've cleaned up that mess that I just made there by... Oh, no. I missed one.
Yeah, you missed one. You were done, and then you thought, "Oh, this one."
Yeah. So, I think I've missed one the other side as well, looking at that.
You have.
I wonder if I...
Don't. No. You'd have done it. You'd have done it.
Yeah, of course I would have.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know now.
I think so. The trouble with doing that was that as I was doing it, it was drying as I was putting it on. Yeah. So I kept scraping the bits up.
We did this during like the hottest week of the summer.
Yeah.
So the video we made quite a while ago, but we haven't got round to the voice until now. This is what happens. We make the videos and they sit in a pile.
Well, it was for Halloween.
It was for Halloween. We did it for Halloween because I'm off to I don't know what I don't know where I was going with that.
No
idea.
It was you were stunned.
I was stunned by the sheer
beauty of the bat so far.
Yeah. No, not yet. Not yet.
I've done the other side.
Yeah.
And there we are.
It's a very cute mould.
It is, to be fair. Yeah.
I think it's a really cute mould.
Yeah. So I let it dry, and I think this is the next day, and then I'm going for Halloween colours.
So purple,
purple,
orange,
and orange,
and green.
I don't know because the green's already in there because the green's a glowy bit.
Okay.
So I'm just going to do the Mica-ing now, and obviously start with the nose, little black nose.
That was indigo.
Little indigo nose.
Little indigo nose. And then an orange face?
It's been a while. I can't remember.
You can't, can you? This is a surprise for us. Yeah. It was an orange face.
And I remember it.
I can remember the orange face, yeah.
Yeah. So, and these were the original set of micas that we bought.
I know. I'm desperate for them to like run out so that I can buy a new set.
But
they just
they're
go
still
on.
going.
They just go on.
It's because
literally they go on forever.
You need such a tiny amount, and it goes so far that I could spend a week micring stuff, and I still think there'd still be loads left.
To be fair, they weren't an expensive set because we got them when we very, very first started resin.
Yep.
And being the cheapskate that I am, I didn't want to spend huge amounts on mica powder.
Oh, that's soon changed, didn't it?
Yeah, that soon changed. Yeah, but I think there was like 36 or.
Yeah, it was
loads of them. I was like, every colour you can imagine. And they just go on and on and on. So value for money, top.
Yeah, and to be fair, they're not terrible colours. They are really nice colours.
The indigo I really like. The orange I like. And there's the blue I really like.
I'm not allowed to use the blue.
You're not allowed to use the purple either.
Or red.
That's because you do everything red and blue.
I don't.
You do.
I'm doing an orange bat.
That's because I forbid you. I was like, you're not allowed to do red or blue.
Yeah. There was that as well. Okay.
Those were the rules. Although it turns out you don't stick to rules. You cheat.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No, I follow the guidelines. If the guidelines are ambiguous...
Okay.
It leaves a lot of room for interpretation.
You're the king of loopholes, aren't you?
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Yes, I am.
Yes. So, you used a lot of orange, and yet literally that pot didn't change at all.
You just... No, because what I'm doing is I'm taking a bit out of the pot, sticking it into the lid, shaking it off, and then just doing the mica in the mica in the mould. So I'm literally not using anything.
I'm confident that if I started micaing a lot more things, we'd go through it a lot faster.
That's because you're I think you're a little bit more heavy-handed.
Yeah.
And you just want to get rid of them so you can buy the new ones.
Yes.
So you'd be like just tipping the bottle over it.
Yeah. I'm not seeing a problem.
I think you should do that.
Why?
Because I think at one point you're going to go, and it's just going to go.
Is that like when I did those chameleon flakes and we had the fan on?
Yes, that was hilarious. That was hilarious. So we had, I can't remember what I was making it, but we had some camellia flakes on.
Camellia flakes.
Chameleon flakes.
Chameleon flakes.
That's easy for you to say.
And it was really hot and the fan was on and I opened the jar and these flakes just went straight all over me.
It was swirling around the room and everything. It's hilarious.
I looked like I'd been...
I do believe that I forgot to press record. I think I did.
Oh. But it was just lots more of you micering, wasn't it, really?
It was, yeah. And it was just a bit of gold and like an orangey reddy for the wings.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think it was very bat colours.
Very batty colours.
Yeah.
And then the resin is mould and the colour is Vista. The Vista black, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, it is.
That's a nice black.
It's a black. Oh, yeah,
but there's different blacks. There's black and then there's black and then there's black.
I like the black.
The black is good.
Yeah. No, yeah. So this is the demould.
Ooh.
So this is the day after.
Dun 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 dun.
Dun. So it was quite easy to demould as well because sometimes
it is a really nice mould.
Yeah, no, yeah, and it's some of them they're quite fiddly because they've got like a lip, but yeah, no, it came out quite nice. You have to be careful of those little edges there, the little
sharp bits.
Yeah,
well, they're not sharp bits, but the pointy bits.
Yeah, and then. Drum roll.
Is that how it goes?
Yeah, that's exactly what a drum sounds like. There he is.
There he is. Eric.
Eric the bat. Yes.
He's very cute.
He's got a nice little cheeky little smile.
Yeah, he has.
Oh, his black indigo nose.
It's just indigo. Just indigo. He is nice. I like him.
And the paint, it wasn't a proper covering, so it's just like little veins, and then you'll see when I get the UV light eventually. Oh, the suspense there.
Whilst we're waiting for you to get the UV light, I'd just like to say, if anyone who's still with us, thank you so much for watching our video.
Here he goes. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, that's so cool. Very nice.
You can't really see the purple.
You can't, but you can definitely see the green and the ears.
Yeah.
It's very cool. And that's it. That's us for this week.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Blah, blah, blah. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.